So today with my colleague Claudio, we're going to give you a brief presentation on why you should train your team in Trustworthy AI, and we'll take the chance to present the brand new specialized master in Trustworthy AI that was launched this year as a partnership between CentraleSupélec and SystemX. But before we get into that, we'll say a few words about the partners. So there's on one side CentraleSupélec, which is a leading engineering school. We have that specialized in science and technologies. We have 3 campuses in France and other campuses in other international campuses. CentraleSupélec is also part of the University of Paris-Saclay. We count 4,200 students, 370 professors and researchers, 140 industrial partners, and 176 academic partners. CentraleSupélec has a professional training center that's called CentraleSupélec XZ. We have a wide variety of professional trainings. We train 3,500 trainees per year. We have more than 120 open or tailor-made trainings, 12 million in revenues, and 17 specialized masters and masters of science. It operates under the direction of Céline Précy. And I'll hand it over to Claudio to present SystemX.
So thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Nicola, for the introduction, and hello, everyone. So 2 words very rapidly on SystemX. You've heard from some people within our institute already during the presentation, but who are we exactly? So we are a research and technology organization, an RTO, and we lead applied research programs for our industrial partners, and we bring together talents from academia and industrial R&D under the same roof to create interaction and look together to innovate our application domains. So you see on the slide our 8 scientific and technological fields for which we have skilled research engineers in our team, and we welcome in our projects partners from our 5 main application domains that you see on screen, and you've had the chance to heard from some of them earlier in the presentation. All the assets created through our research projects are meant to be disseminated in industry and broadly adopted by your teams. And one of the approaches that we had within SystemX was to create training programs, and we have a wide range of programs from awareness trainings all over to certifications. So we will talk to you about one of those programs today. So we started with the question, why should you train your teams? Well, it comes to limiting the risks of poorly designed AI, and you've already seen in the presentations before some of the tools. But in a training program as the one we present to you today, we take the time to go deep in details in some techniques and methodologies created by the Confiance.ai program, and you are looking at some of the main risks on this slide. We already talked about robustness. Data management is one important topic when it comes to AI. So data management already, but also bias filtering is an important topic, and of course lack of transparency, which can create a lack of trust from users and even from engineering and stuff. All of these risks are taken into account, and we strive to bring solutions or to create awareness when designing AI systems. Training with us will develop the skills of your teams, of yourselves who are listening today, but of your teams and organizations. Will bring awareness of what we've talked about today. Current and future challenges about compliance, regulations, security, and will bring a boost to the careers of tomorrow, because we see how rapidly this field is growing today. So SystemX benefited from the implication in the Confiance.ai program, and we built a lot of knowledge inside the institute, and we are bringing this knowledge and again information and tools from the catalog to this training. And I will give the floor back to Miriam to talk to you about how this is organized.
Thank you, Claudio. Yeah, so for all these reasons that Claudio mentioned, that we created the new specialized master in Trustworthy AI. So it's the first specialized master that's fully dedicated to Trustworthy AI in France. And a brief presentation of the program. If you could move to the next slide, Claudio. Thank you. So it's a program of 466 hours that lasts a whole year, with a rhythm of 1 week of training per month, so 3 weeks in company. It takes place at CentraleSupélec at the campus of Paris-Saclay, so Gif-sur-Yvette. It's open to everyone who wants to specialize in Trustworthy AI with a scientific background, of course. So an engineering degree or a master degree in science. So next slide, please. So we start with some refresher courses. The students can choose 2 options out of 4: Python development for learning, statistics and data analysis, systems engineering, reliability, and model transparency. So the goal of these leveling courses is to make sure that everyone starts with the same level, and to give them the necessary tools to follow the rest of the program. Then we move in with more with some basic courses: machine learning, deep learning, and some data management courses. Then we offer some specialization courses, so statistical learning, reinforcement learning, natural language processing, decision modeling, and advanced deep learning. And the students get to choose 2 out of these to go to to get a more advanced view out of the basic courses that he followed before. We also cover legal and ethical aspects, trust evaluation. So it's the whole point of this program: systems engineering for trustworthy AI components. And we also have some trust and human interaction courses. In the practical side, we have a whole course dedicated to study use cases, so presentation of real industrial use cases. We have a capstone project. So it's a project on which the trainees would work alongside the program. and it would allow them to apply the skills they have learned in the program through concrete projects. We also have a professional thesis on top of this capstone project, with the requirement of minimum 16 weeks assignment in company, and this professional thesis will be defended at the end of the program. And for more information, you have the contact of Laurie Delière that will assist you with your application, registration, and funding process.